For decades, we have all imagined robots walking among us, working tirelessly in factories, hospitals, or modern smart cities. But for a very long time, all of that seemed like a distant dream, something that belonged more to science fiction movies than to our actual reality. However, in these last few years, something truly incredible has started to happen. Some of the largest and most innovative tech companies on the entire planet are now developing robots that are more advanced than ever before, capable of performing complex physical tasks that we once thought only humans could do. From massive machines working in giant warehouses to humanoids that can walk, carry heavy objects, or even interact naturally with people. Today, we're going to discover 8 real life robots created by the most cutting edge companies in the world. And let me tell you, pay close attention because robot number 1 might just become one of the most common workers of our entire future. 8. Digit Agility Robotics. One of the most fascinating robots in existence today is named Digit. It was developed by the American firm Agility Robotics and is engineered specifically to function within warehouses and large logistics centers. Digit walks on 2 legs just like a human being, but its entire body is optimized for the heavy lifting of boxes and transporting packages. It can carry various objects, navigate up and down ramps, and adapt to many different surfaces without ever losing its balance. The engineers at Agility Robotics designed Digit with a very unique structure. Its legs are actually inspired by human biomechanics, which allows it to walk with great stability even while carrying a significant amount of weight. But what is truly interesting is that Digit doesn't require a perfect environment to do its job. It can adapt to irregular floors, pivot its torso to balance shifting loads, and even regain its footing if someone accidentally bumps into it. This makes it an ideal robot for those massive logistics hubs where thousands of packages are moving every single minute. Giants like Amazon are already testing this robot to assist in their automated facilities. 7. Spot Boston Dynamics. One of the most famous and recognizable robots in the world is Spot, the agile quadruped developed by Boston Dynamics. This bright yellow robot resembles a mechanical dog and has the incredible ability to walk through extremely difficult and rugged terrain. Spot is fully equipped with advanced cameras, high-tech sensors, and artificial intelligence systems that allow it to analyze its surroundings in real time. But Spot isn't just limited to walking around. The robot can be fitted with many different tools depending on the specific job it needs to perform. For instance, some versions carry thermal cameras that can detect dangerous heat leaks in industrial plants. Other versions can scan structures to find cracks or structural damage that could lead to serious problems. Thanks to this versatility, many companies use Spot to inspect factories, power plants, or hazardous zones without ever putting human workers at risk. 6. Atlas, Boston Dynamics. If Spot seems impressive to you, Atlas takes the field of robotics to a whole new level. This humanoid robot, also developed by Boston Dynamics, can run, jump over obstacles, and even perform complex acrobatic maneuvers with ease. Atlas utilizes highly advanced sensors and extremely sophisticated control systems just to maintain its perfect balance. It can react in mere fractions of a second when its environment suddenly changes, allowing it to navigate uneven ground, lift heavy items, and adapt to very complex situations. Although it currently remains an experimental prototype, Atlas demonstrates exactly how far modern robotics can go. Many industry experts believe that robots like Atlas will eventually be used in search and rescue operations, or for dangerous tasks where it would be too risky to send a human being. 5. Moxie, Diligent Robotics. In several hospitals across the United States, a robot called Moxie is already helping medical staff every day. This robot was created by the company Diligent Robotics and is designed specifically to perform logistics tasks within a hospital environment. Moxie can transport medications, medical equipment, or laboratory supplies between different wings of the building. In this way, medical personnel can focus entirely on patient care instead of wasting time moving materials. The robot uses sensors and cameras to navigate through busy hallways without colliding with people. It can even call elevators and open automatic doors by itself. 4. Optimus, Tesla. One of the most ambitious projects in the history of robotics is the humanoid robot known as Optimus, developed by Tesla. The main goal of this robot is to perform repetitive physical tasks in factories, warehouses, and other industrial settings. Optimus is designed to walk, lift heavy objects, and learn new tasks using advanced artificial intelligence. Tesla is using many of the technologies it already perfected for its electric cars. For example, the computer vision systems that allow Tesla cars to recognize pedestrians and traffic signs are also used so that Optimus can understand its surroundings. This allows the robot to identify tools or boxes and manipulate them with high precision. 3. Ameca, Engineered Arts. One of the most realistic humanoid robots in the world today is Ameca. It was developed by the British company Engineered Arts and is built to study the interaction between humans and machines. What makes Ameca so special is its extremely expressive face. It can raise its eyebrows, smile, frown, and even show genuine surprise. Its facial movements are so natural that many people feel like they are talking to a real person. While Ameca isn't designed for heavy physical labor, its development allows scientists to study how we humans react when we interact with robots. This technology could be used in the future for education or high-end customer service. 2. Stretch, Boston Dynamics. E-commerce has grown so fast that companies now need new ways to move massive quantities of packages. That's why Boston Dynamics developed Stretch. This robot is designed specifically to work inside large logistics warehouses. It features a very long robotic arm with a special vacuum gripper that can securely grab boxes of many different sizes. Stretch can unload entire trucks full of packages for hours and hours without stopping. This allows companies to significantly speed up the logistics process in giant distribution centers. 1. Figure 01, Figure AI. The most impressive robot on this entire list is Figure 01, developed by the company Figure AI. This humanoid robot was designed to work in real-world environments alongside human workers. It can walk, handle delicate objects, and perform basic tasks using very advanced artificial intelligence. Major companies like BMW are already testing these robots in their factories to help out on the production lines. One of the most incredible features of Figure 01 is its ability to learn. Engineers are developing systems that allow these robots to learn new skills simply by watching humans perform a task. This means that instead of manual programming, they could learn just by observing. What we are seeing today is truly just the beginning of a revolution. Tech companies are investing billions of dollars to develop robots that are smarter and more capable every day. In the coming years, it is very likely that we will see these machines working right next to us in many different professions. The big question is no longer if robots will be a part of our daily lives, but rather how fast this change will happen. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 8 robots impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to discover more amazing technologies that are changing our future.